Hey there! Today we're going to be talking about this pen. This pen was sent to me by Ensso, and this is a new ballpoint I have, at least a new incarnation of a ballpoint I have, and it does things. So we're going to be talking about that. A very kind thank you to Ensso for sending me this pen, and let's get started. Okay, so here we go with the Ensso Giro Ballpoint. It's a little rolly, but I'll put it down like this. And here we have, a Pilot Metropolitan as a size comparison. Pen. Came in a simple box. I love these boxes, Ensso does. There is pretty much no waste because it's a tiny little box. It's all I need. I don't need big pen boxes. I'd rather have a nice pen than people spend enormous amounts of money on the box the pen comes in. And it's cardboard. So you can recycle this, no issue, done. Okay, the actual pen. So this is an Ensso Giro. This is a CNC machined pen made in aluminum. There is also a titanium version available that I quickly saw online. But this is the aluminum, aka aluminium. It is a ballpoint that takes Parker style refills, which are fairly easy to access. It comes with a Parker style refill, but not Parker brand. It's a Schmidt Easy Flow refill. It was nice. I found it a nice refill. I couldn't find the hole, but I did just there. Okay, you screw this back in. And it has a fun mechanism because it's actually not a clicky mechanism. It is a twist mechanism. And I will come back to that later in likes and dislikes. You get a PVD coated stainless steel clip, which is very easy to bend. So don't be too harsh on that. You can see it slopes up a little bit because I was. And then it's PVD coated. I think I said that. And it has a micro texture, which I don't know how well you can see that. I'll try to capture in pictures, but there are just these very fine ribs, which you can hear if I run my nail across them, all over the pen, including the turning knob. So it's a cute little pen. Not huge, right? It's not a huge ballpoint, but that makes it very pocketable for chest pockets and such. I think that's quite nice. So I think what we need to do is see how it writes. It's a ballpoint, so I can't do all of the tests I normally do, but I'll do my best. Here we have the Ensso Giro Ballpoint with the Schmidt refill, obviously black as you can see here. That's what it came with. Nice match with the color of the pen, by the way. It's a pretty smooth writer. Nice, not bad at all. Writes nicely. I mean, beyond that, it's a ballpoint. So I don't really like the upside down, all that stuff. The flex obviously doesn't work, but it's a nice writer. Pretty smooth. I haven't found this to blob a lot. There was a little bit there. I haven't found it to blob a lot as ballpoints sometimes do. And I know that someone would want to know. Yeah, there is a smell to the ink. Okay, that's it. Let's have a look at likes and dislikes, because I don't believe I have an awful lot more to say about this pen, and I don't mean to keep you here longer than is absolutely necessary. What do I like? What do I not like about this pen? I think the Giro fountain pen, the Giro ballpoint has a lot going for it. It's a cute little pen. It's fun. I think the shape is fun. It's a nice design, and there is some good eye for detail, right? You have a bit of the cuteness factor in a smaller pen. It's not very large. It's also quite comfortable. It tapers down very nicely, and I do find that a fairly comfortable pen to hold. What I will say is I find it, for me, on the small side. It's not a huge pen, which makes it very pocketable, easy to carry around, easy to well, just that, carry around, period. I wouldn't mind seeing a pen like this, but a bit bigger, but that's just me, right? I would probably enjoy that. I do like that it has this texture, hard to see, but very fine lines on it, which does make for a nice texture and doesn't make the pen slippery. It is very comfortable. The final thing I will say is, I mean, I think a price of $49 is really not bad. I know that it's a little cheaper than it would be retail, but that's what the current Kickstarter price is. I think it's fair for a not just plastic single-use fountain pen, but something that has been machined. I think it's a pretty fair price. Final thing I will say is the mechanism is cute with the twist. I really like it visually, because when you have it in writing mode, the barrel and that twisting knob are flush, which I think is, again, visually very pleasing. The one thing I will say about it is, one of the reasons I like using ballpoints, which isn't very often, but is their ease of use, which is a single-handed operation, quick click, etc. That's not possible with this pen. You have to twist it, and with one hand it's doable, as I'm demonstrating here, but it does take a little bit more time. So if that is what you are looking for, a pen that you can quickly pull out and write with quickly, which in certain professions is a very useful thing, right? This pen may not be it, because I just can't do it in a single twist. I can't do it. I need at least 1.5 twists. I think that was my record. So in other words, that is something that I would take into account if you are looking for a pen like this. Having said that, again, I think it's a cute pen. Works well. That's all I have. A kind thank you to Ensso for sending me the pen. I appreciate it. I hope this was useful, and I'll gladly see you later. Bye bye.